Hey guys, I'm Jesser Sorvillejo, and today I'll share you how statistics appears in my daily life. We often think of statistics as just numbers and graphs, but it's actually everywhere, helping us understand situations, make decisions, and improve our activities. The first example is boarders doing their laundry in our boarding house.
Every day, different boarders wash clothes, but some days are busier than others. Possible data we could collect here include the number of boarders doing laundry each day, the most common laundry days of the week, and the average time each boarder spends washing and drying clothes. By analyzing this data, we could figure out the best schedule to avoid crowding in the laundry area and make sure everyone has enough space and time. The second example is vehicles passing by in front of our boarding house or in the street. At certain hours, traffic gets heavier and sometimes there are more motorcycles than cars. In this situation, the possible data we could collect here include the number of vehicles per hour, the type of vehicles like motorcycles, cars, and trucks, the busiest and quietest times of the day. With this data, we can help with traffic planning, safety measures, and community regulations.
Through these examples, I realized that statistics isn't just about math. It's about understanding patterns in real life. It helps us make decisions better, solve problems, and even predict future trends. In short, it's like a bridge between what we can see and what we can do to make our life better. That's it. Thank you for watching.